Today we're going to go from this to this. Hey, today I'm going to show you how to do this, but we'll go back and we'll start on a new one in just a minute. How was that? So I'm just brushing this stuff on here, and we're trying to get it back to the same color. So we took all the color off, and now we're putting all the color back on, which doesn't make sense really, but that's how it works with refinishing. Well, because the old stain has gotten old and crappy and dirty and nasty and darkened over time and dinged up, and so you have to get all that old crud off. Can I say crud on YouTube? You got to get all that old crud off before you can continue on with a nice new finish. So, some people, this is my other woodworkers thing, some woodworkers will say, you need to let this stuff sit. You don't really have to. It's done its job. If I just let it sit here, it would just get dried up and gummy. It's pretty much, as soon as you're done brushing it on, you're pretty much good to wipe it off. So don't listen to the can or anything. The can, hey, up here. The can just wants you to use more finish. This is a handy little trick. We're going to take our iron, we're going to plug her in here. Because the scraping, I could scrape those out, but it would take a lot of material away. So instead, I'm going to take our iron here. I'm going to go wet my rag. So this is an ancient secret of woodworking that is really good. Not a lot of people know about it. Okay?
Wait. Will you have to kill me if you tell it to me?
No.
Oh, good.
Okay, so you're going to take your wet rag.
Soaking wet or just damp?
Yeah, kind of soaky. You want it kind of soggy. And we're going to take it down here onto our piece, okay? See our scratches in there? We want to get rid of those. Now that I've scraped off the wood with my scraper, I'm going to, to the raw wood, I'm just going to squeeze a little bit of water, okay? And then I'm going to kind of sop that in there, because you want the wood to be wet. Okay? I'm going to take this, and I'm going to lay it over, just like it.
There's nothing up your sleeve, is there?
No.
Okay, nothing up your sleeve. Holy crap, that's hot.
Hot iron. That was when we have 3D. We can see. That would be scary in 3D, right?
Dream on, fool.
Okay, and I'm going to take it, and I'm going to put it down, the iron down on my spot, not for very long.
Can you hear that hot, sizzling axe? I'm sorry.
And then I'll pick it up, and what this has done is it has raised the grain. The the moisture from the water has been pulled towards the iron, and it has been sucked towards the heat on the iron, and it has pulled the wood grain up with it. I need a little bit more on there, so I'm going to repeat.
Okay.
So I'm going to take my 120 sandpaper, and I'm just going to work over that I ironed, and it should take those little scratches right out of there. And this way I don't have to sand way down into the surface of the wood and make like a big indenture. So I'm just going to brush some stain back over that, and voila. The scratches, they are gone.
I still see scratches.
Shut up. Not near as bad as they were, and this is like refinishing, and so things are never going to be like absolutely perfect. They do some fast motion stuff where they cover a lot of, you know.
Do you not like that?
No, I think that's really cool.
I did some of that in your last video. So before I go, what are you going to show us next time?
I don't know.
What's this you have here, down here, that you said you were going to show next time?
Oh, we're going to continue staining these drawer boxes, and then we'll spray some finish on them, and that'll be fun to watch.
Really?